It gives me the confidence that I need, that I can go forward with a project. My name is Milo Berg. I'm a professor of business analysis at Sam Houston State University. I've been at Sam Houston State for about 25 years. I've been frustrated a lot by going through tutorials. I've gone through tutorials where things change so fast, where you're following the tutorial and all of a sudden the code doesn't work and you're scratching your head why, because you haven't learned this language completely. And so you go to Google and you're searching through Google trying to figure out what's wrong and all that. And then you finally figure it out, and then, okay, you go on. The nice thing about the Real Python tutorials, what I've liked is the fact that the tutorials are kept up to date and they work smoothly. And so it cuts down on the distractions that I have to go through. You know, my time that I can allocate for training on this type of thing is limited. So I have to be efficient with the use of my time, and the tutorials that I've had from Real Python. I looked at some of the materials. I had a copy of the tips and tricks book that Dan puts out, and I got a copy of that, and I was able to look through that, and it was useful to me. I didn't think the cost was that expensive, so I was willing to give it a shot and see how it worked, and so I'm finding it useful. It gets me over the humps. I pay on an annual basis for the Real Python, and so what that gives me is an access for all the tutorials at any time that I need them, 24/7. The nice thing about Python is that it's so diverse in its use, and I've been exploring the use of it in terms of web development and also for business analytics, the things that I'm teaching. Right now I'm going through the Qt tutorial, okay, for the graphical user interface. And I think it's a very well written set of tutorials for Qt. I had tried to do this with a book before, and again, I had issues with, things not working and things like that. The books and stuff, they get out of date really fast, and if you don't keep these tutorials up to date, it just adds to the frustration. And like I said, I'm time conscious, so the tutorials save me a lot of time, and I feel like I can trust the tutorials to be accurate and to get me there where I need to go, and that's why I stick with Real Python. It gives me confidence in that I can do what that I need to do. The Real Python can help me make that transition in terms of using Python for business analytics a lot more smooth, especially for my students. I like the idea of being able to learn, one set of or one family of tools that can have a wide application, and that's what Python does for me. And then Real Python has the tutorials that cover that wide range of applications, and the tutorials are well written enough and focused enough that I can go to those tutorials and I have confidence that Real Python will get me up to speed quickly enough that I can get the job done. And so really what I'm saying is the impact would be confidence building. Sure, I would recommend Python. I have recommended Real Python to several people, because they want to get started in Python, and they want to get caught up with the rest of us, and I recommend it to them. I think it's an efficient way to learn.